How to create a Sephora account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Sephora's official website. Here, click on Sign In at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on Sign In at the top right, here click on Create Account. After you click on Create Account, add email address and press on Continue. Then add your first name, last name, email address, password that you want to create, and then add phone number. After you've added phone number, scroll down, enter your birthday details, month, day, and zip postal code at the bottom. Then click on Keep Me Signed In, and then press on Join Now at the bottom, and your account will be created. And you will be signed into your account as well. This is how to create a Sephora account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.